So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today we are from group B. Want to discuss about our mini project EPO554 about DC motor controlled by terminal voltage current control method. So in this video we are discuss about presentation, content and decision making. So in our presentation we want to make what?
We want to especially focus on the question given what the average output voltage is for the converter by changing the switching of the power semiconductor device. Second one is the motor speed response by changing the switching of the power semiconductor device and motor torque. And the third one is any changes in motor speed or master current and field current due to changes in motor load and terminal voltage. And we use the reference video by Shaija PJ to further gain our knowledge on this question.
So presentation. So for presentation, we're going to present about this output, and we will discuss at the end of our experiment. Then about content. So about our content, as we mentioned before, is about our DC motor speed controlled by terminal voltage and use MATLAB, which is we use reference from Shaida PJ. And as you can see here,
Result
bukan lagi.
Kau edit lah video nanti kan?
Idea apa? Hasilnya nak cut dia. Kalau cut nanti besar, file dia besar. Nak kerja laju kan, biarlah campur-campur hujah, biarlah nampak macam discuss sikit kan.
Discuss sikit kan.
Macam tu borak-borak sikit.
Lengkap memang slow sikit.
Tengok laptop lah. Laptop dah berbiak kan.
Kalau benda laptop aku tengok gini lah.
Sebab presentation pasal tadi pula, content pasal apa yang kita buat dengan virtual MATLAB DC speed motor.
Decision making yang kita jawab soalan tu tadi. Decision kita
hasil kita boleh terus pasal decision apa? Decision making macam kita apa? Nama bahasa Inggeris agih kerja.
mungkin kerja.
So in discussion making, okay, sorry. Discussion making, we need to make a report. So in our report, macam mana cakap bahagian kerja ni? So we divide our task.
Yes.
Me, Danish, going to make a report about introduction. So okay, in our report we're going to put about what? First intro, objective,
procedure,
intro, objectives, procedure,
result,
result, theory. Need to put theory. I put theory inside.
yes, theory after the objective.
So after objective we put theory, and then procedure, result, discussion, and then conclusion.
Lastly conclusion.
Conclusion. So my part is I'm going to make about introduction until result. And for Joseph, I'm giving him task to do discussion and conclusion. But in discussion we also discuss in our group, each member about the result that we observed. And then what else we want to discuss? Okay, about magnet we want to show. So here is our circuit that we construct first before we start our video. So the circuit was referenced by, as I mentioned before, from YouTube video. But untuk presentation ni cakap nanti lah, discussion lah.
Betul.
Kalau untuk meeting discussion ni
tunjuk progress je lah. We already done. Betul ke? Dah siap lah juga.
Itulah. I think that's all.
That's all, yeah. We already complete the circuit and obtain the desired result.
And next we will proceed about our presentation to explain about what we observed from our circuit, and discussion was made in that video also. So that's all from us. Thank you.